مين الطلاب ولا المعلمين؟
الطلاب هيشتغلوا، المعلمين هياخدوا اجازه.
اي طيب خلاص.
يشتغلوا في السرير كذا يناموا بس، صح؟
خلاص بقى يلا خلينا نشتغل. بسم الله. السلام عليكم ورحمه الله وبركاته. ان شاء الله we will take an easy lesson which is solving one-step equation. I know that's a lesson for grade 4, not for grade 9, but I will suffer today inshallah with you. So what is the meaning of the equation? What is the meaning of one-step equation? What is the meaning of solving equation? So what is the meaning of equation?
Mr. Statement that is equal in both sides.
Equality of two sides. The left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side, or a statement, algebraic statement that contain equal between the two terms.
Yeah, but solving it must be a variable.
So what is the meaning of solving equation? Solving equation.
Mister, you must find
one
the
side
value
equal to the other.
Sorry,
You
one
must
by one.
find
Knowing the value of the variable.
Yes, find the value of the variable which satisfy the equation, or which makes the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side.
Right.
Not finding a value of the variable. Suppose that I'm saying x plus 3 equals 5, and I said that x equals 1. That is the value of the variable. This value is right.
Yeah.
1 plus 3 equals 5.
No, 2 plus.
No, it's mean now we didn't solve the equation. Now we didn't solve the equation. Solve the equation not for only finding the value of the variable. You can find the value of the variable. I find that x equals 1. But to say solving the equation, find the value of the variable which makes the left hand side is equals to the right hand side. That is the meaning of solving equation. Okay. What is the meaning of one-step equation? One-step equation that has only one operation, like plus, minus, times, or divide.
Not more.
So one-step equation. One-step equation. I have only one operation at the equation. Which way that we use to solve the equation? You remember the order of operation?
Yes.
What is the steps for the order of operation?
Brackets.
Power.
Exponent.
Multiplication and division.
Multiply or divide. Yes.
Adding and subtract.
Okay. Adding and subtract. Adding to subtract. That's the same steps for solving equation, but for order of operation we are going from up to down. Then from the solving equation we use the inverse way. Because we are using the inverse way, so we use the inverse operation. What is the meaning of the inverse operation? If the equation contains plus, so we'll use the inverse, which is minus. If the operation contains minus, we'll use the inverse, which is plus. Times will be divide will be times. That is the meaning of solving equation with an easy way. So question number 1, we have c minus 22 equals 54. So because we have minus here, have only one operation, so it will be plus 22.
So C
It means c equals 76. Okay. For number 6, how we solve it?
minus 12.
No, where is the expression which is beside b? That's plus 16.
P should be in the left side.
Minus 16. So p is equals
24.
without using calculator,
Minus
please.
4.
Minus 28.
I'm not using calculator. It's 4.
Minus 28.
P equal negative 28.
Just 1 minute.
Negative
Just 1 minute.
Negative 28.
Okay, just one, please, one by one. So it will be how we can find negative 28 without using calculator. The first one is negative, and the second is negative. Both of them have the same sign. If the two numbers have the same sign, then with the sign of the greatest number, put the sign, then add them. Diego, you are not using a mic. That's right. You are not using a mic, Diego.
That's right. Yeah.
Now you are using a mic.
Yeah. Now. Yeah.
You was talking before without using a mic. That's
No,
right.
I wasn't using the mic.
You was mute. So there is another one was talking now with me without using the mic. Okay, so please.
I'm not using the mic.
Khalas, thanks. I think that's you. Sorry. If you are not using the mic, please. If you are not using the mic, please switch off the mic because there is a lot of noise. For number 2, now we have 113 equals g minus 25. How we can solve this one?
113
Add.
By adding
You add the
25.
113 to 25,
Yeah, you-
which is equal to
So
So G is
130.
equals to 100.
138.
Just 1 minute.
Sorry.
There are 3 is talking now. There are 3 are talking now. Is that right? 3 are talking now. Abu Ghandar and no
Sir,
problem
already-
والله for me. Wallahi, no problem for me. I need to know. Muhammad Walid, خلاص. Leave Muhammad Walid. There is another one.
Me.
Who?
I was talking, sir.
Just 1 minute. One by one, please. You? Who?
Yeah. Me.
What's your Farhan?
Mustafa Tariq.
Mustafa? خلاص. Another one?
It was me, sir, Faris Kremli.
خلاص. Leave Faris. Another one?
Abdullah
There is-
Malik.
There is one. Yes, this one.
Yeah, me.
Yes.
That's
Who
Abdullah
are you?
Malik.
Abdullah Malik,
Abdullah Malik.
please. If you are not using the mic, please don't speak. The problem with the mic now, because wallahi, the problem with the mic, because I can't hear you. خلاص?
I'll raise
Try
my
to use
hand.
the mic. Try to use the mic, please. Try to use the mic. خلاص. Number 7. How we solve number 7?
Multiply.
You can
Oh, no.
multiply, yes, because that's multiplication. So you have to shift to the other side by division. But because that's a fraction, so you can multiply by the reciprocal for the fraction. The reciprocal for the fraction, which is 3
Yeah.
over 2. Any problem for this one? If you didn't understand it, we can explain
I
to
didn't
you.
understand that.
Which one? This one?
Yeah, no, sir.
Any problem for 1, 6, and 2?
No, it's just
There's
that.
no problem. Okay.
No.
So for the multiplication, we use the inverse operation. As we said now, we have minus, we shift it to be plus. Minus, we shift it to be plus. Plus, it becomes minus. But now what is the meaning of 2 over 3q? It's mean 2 over 3 times q. So to shift it to the other side by dividing 2 over 3. If you remember when we divide the fraction, we said that. Write the first without any change. Change the division to be multiplication, then convert to be 3 over 2. Find the reciprocal for the fraction or the multiplicative inverse. You remember this one? Just this operation
Yes.
for the fraction,
Yeah.
dividing
Yeah.
two fractions.
Yeah.
So instead of making all of these steps, just we say that if you multiply or divide, if you want to divide by a fraction, if you have here fraction and you need to solve it, you can just multiply by the reciprocal for the fraction, 3 over 2. Because if you multiply, you will cancel 3 and 3, 2 and 2. Because you multiply for the left side by 3 over 2, you have to multiply here also by 3 over 2. With the operation, what you did in the left-hand side, you have to follow for the right-hand side. So we write q without any change. That's only if you have a fraction. For example, if I have 3 over 4x equals 5 over 9. How we solve this one? Just remove 3 over 4 and shift it to the other side by multiplying 4 over 3. Any problem now?
No.
No, sir. No, sir.
No problem.
So 1 over 2 times 3 over 2 equals
3 over 4.
3 over 4.
3 over 4.
Yes. Now question number 3. How we can solve question number 3?
So
Add
you
87.
add 87 to 30 and J.
70. 87,
So-
then J
So
equals. The two numbers have the same sign or different sign?
84.
different sign.
Different sign.
So 85.
So different sign. Different sign. It's mean write the sign of the greatest number. The greatest number is positive. So the answer will be positive. Then subtract. 87 minus 3, which is
84.
84.
84.
Number 8.
Divide over minus 3.
Because you have my negative 3. So the suppose the equation is negative 3r equals 39. So divided by negative 3. Divided by negative 3. So cancel. It's mean r is
Negative
equals
13.
negative 13. Can you solve it? Which
So
one?
can you explain 8 again? I didn't quite get.
When you have any number beside a variable, 2x equals 6. What is the meaning of 2x equals 6? 2 times a number equals 6. What is this number? 2 times what equals 6?
We don't know that number.
2 times what equals 6?
3.
3. How you
3.
know that? You can just divide 6 by 2, so it will be 3. Is that right?
Yeah.
So we have here -3 times. Just I sweep them, the left-hand side instead of the right, and the right instead of the left. So I just say -3r equals 39. Because I prefer to solve and make the variable at the left-hand side. That's for my side.
Yeah.
So if you want to solve by this way, just directly, no problem. If you want to put the variable at the left-hand side, for me, no problem. But for me, I prefer to put the variable at the left-hand side. I take the left to put it on the right, and right to put at the left. So don't change any sign. Just change the numbers only. So because you have -3 times r, if you find any number beside r, it's mean multiply by r. The multiplication, we use the inverse operation. What is the inverse of multiplication? Which is division.
Division.
So divided by -3. Because you divide here by -3, just divide here also by -3. R equals to -13. 39 divided by -3 equals -13. Any problem for this one?
Yes, sir.
What's the problem?
Sir, can you explain this process again because it's so hard?
So hard? What? I didn't say. I just say divide by -3.
Okay, you divided 39 by -3.
Equal -13. Yes.
So we should divide this with -3.
With -3, we use the inverse operation. We have -3.
Yes, sir.
What -3r? What is the meaning of -3r? -3 times r. So -3 times r, it's mean use the inverse operation. What is the inverse operation? What is the inverse operation for multiplication?
Division.
Who's talking to me now? Who was talking to me? Ali Abbas, is this right?
Yeah.
So you ask me and you leave me without answer. La ilaha illallah. So number 4. 63 plus m equals 79. So
79 minus 6.
because we have addition, so to shift it to the other side by subtraction, we use the inverse operation. So m is
30.
equals 30.
30.
Okay. So we have 3 over 5k. When we find any fraction, to shift it to the other side, what is the step?
5 over 3.
Just multiply by
Multiply
the inverse, which is 5 over 3. So k
6 over
is
1.
equals, divide 6 times 30 equals 6 times 5 equals 30 over 3. Then k equals 10.
10.
Number 5.
Subtract
30 minus 27.
Minus 27. Then
3.
k is equals 3 for this one. I just write the variable at the left hand side, so it will be 2 over 3.
Mister, number 4 is wrong.
Mister, number 4 is wrong. It's 16.
Sorry, 16. Okay. Minus 1 over, -1 over 4. So how we solve this one?
Multiply the inverse.
Sorry?
Multiply the inverse.
So multiplying by
3 over 2.
3 over
3
2.
over.
Then we can say that b is equals negative times positive equal negative, 1 times 3 equal 3, and 4 times 2 equals 8. So it will be -3 over 8. Any problem for this one?
Sir, can you slow down? Sir, can you go up? Yes, yes, yes.
You need to write?
Mister, I have a question.
Yeah, I have to write question number 10. I have to write question number 10.
Number 10.
What is the question?
So like you see in number 6, you switched 16 to the left, right? Why can you switch -12 to the
You need
right?
to solve for the variable. What is the meaning of solving for the variable? When I say here a number is added to 4 to be equal 6. What is this number?
4 p
4 plus
plus
a number plus 4 equals 6. What is this number?
so basically you have to Okay, you don't know.
I'm asking you a question. Leave solving equation now. Leave solving equation now. What is the number? If we add it to 4, the answer would be 6.
2.
Okay. How you find 2? You say 6 minus 4 or 4 minus 6?
6 minus 4.
You have to shift the number which beside the variable to the other side.
Okay, now I got it.
A number times 3 equals 9. Leave 9, not 9. Make it 12. What is the number that you multiplied by 3?
4.
4. You get, because we have multiplication, so we use the inverse operation, which is division. Is that right?
Yeah.
You say 3 divided by 12 equals 4, or 12 divided by 3 equals 4. You shift
3
12,
divided by 12.
12 to 3 or 3 to 12?
Okay, Mr. Number
3 to
10.
12. You switch 3 to
Yeah.
12.
Who's talking now? Leave Diego. Who's talking? Who asked for number 12 or number 3 or number? Who was talking now?
Hamad.
Yeah, Hamad?
Yep.
Who was talking to me now?
That was Ali Abbas.
لا لا حمد.
Oh, Hamad, okay.
It was Hamad.
Hamad, yani you can't wait. I'm explaining. You and La ilaha illallah, la ilaha illallah. You think that this mind for a student for grade 10, grade 9? You get the point now for Diego?
Yes.
You understand
Yeah,
it? Okay.
Yeah.
So can you solve? Welcome. Can you solve please from 1 to 9 and send it to me? Solve from 1 to 9 and send it to me.
Okay.
Sure, I have a question.
What is the question?
Sir, can you go to question number 10? I have to copy.
I will send now to the group. Alaikum salam. Wonder. Let me check. The first one, the second one, number 2. Tijan, number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's right, yes.
Mister,
Tijan,
is mine correct?
You have 2 mistakes. Muhammad Walid, number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes.
Mia Mia?
مية كل نفر مية ما في
Thank
شوي.
you.
بلاجي
Sir, what are my mistakes?
صبر يا مدير يا بلاجي
I'm still doing it, mister. The last 3. I'm doing it.
بلاجي.
Yes, mister.
Can you see the picture that you sent?
Yes.
هذا ما في. Can you see? Is it vertical or horizontal?
Okay.
Check again and send it to me, please. Mustafa.
Yes.
Mustafa.
Yes.
Mustafa.
Yes.
Number 3. Mustafa.
Yes, mister.
Number 3. Mustafa. One more time, Mustafa. Say yes. Number
Yes.
6, yeah, Mustafa. Mustafa.
Yes, mister.
Number 3 and number 6.
Okay.
Habib. One more time, Mustafa. Number 3 and number 6.
Yes, mister.
Balaji. Yes. Yes. They are 9, yeah, Balaji, not 6.
I'm doing the other 3.
Okay. I think you make a discount.
Mister,
Yes,
what
sir.
are we doing? What are we doing?
We are playing now.
Sorry.
Can you play
This
with
is
us?
the first.
Yeah, Mudir, just 1 minute. There is someone is talking to me. So wait, please. You are playing. You want to play with us?
No, sir.
Please play with us.
Mister, I'm done.
Sir, mister, I know my 6th question problem.
صبر يا مدير. يا مدير صبر.
Come on.
مخ ما في. مخ مرة خربان.
Sent, mister.
Sir, what is my
حبيبي.
mistake in question 3?
فرحان فرحان فرحان
Yeah.
فرحان. 100 فرحان 100.
Thank you, mister.
What is this font فرحان?
What is my mistake?
Note number
Mister, I
3.
finished. I sent it to you.
Can you use the computer for this one, or you are using the mobile?
iPad.
The iPad?
No, I'm using my iPad, yeah. I
I
can
think
read
that you
the
are.
file.
I think that you are using the font because I like this font. If you have this font, just write the name of the font, please. I'll try to find this font for the computer because, mashallah, this font is good. So Farhan is Farhan. Malik. Malik.
Mister,
Yes.
Mister,
Farhan.
I
Malik.
sent.
Just 1 minute. Malik. Abdullah Malik. Number 15. Okay. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
so I didn't get number 8 and number 9.
Malik, that's right. Malik. Hamad.
Mister, there's something blocking the screen.
Sure.
Thank you.
This is the some. Okay, thanks.
Hamad. Hamad.
Mister, can I go to the bathroom?
Hamad. Go يا حبيبي. Hamad.
What happened?
Hamad.
Like,
Hamad ما في. Hamad. Hamad.
Sir, what is my problem in question 3?
صبر يا صبر. Just wait. You can't control yourself. Just read question number 3 and solve it.
I solved it.
Use a calculator, please. Use a write the number in the calculator and find your mistake. Please. حسن علم. حسن علم.
Yes.
Can you see the screen? Can you see the image that you sent? There is no steps. Number 1.
I'm sending again.
Number 1, there is no steps.
Wait, I should write steps?
Well, I thank you that you solved with us. Well, I thank you. I appreciate it that you are solving with us.
Mister, I'm done. I sent you my work.
Okay. Hamad.
Mister.
Hamad, there is no steps here, Hamad. So please. No
Do I
steps.
I have to send you
Number
the
4,
steps?
just 1 minute. Number 4, Hamad, it's wrong. Number 4, Hamad, it's wrong. Number 9, it's wrong. Number 7, wrong. 8, wrong. خلاص?
Mr. Islam, do I have to send you a picture with the steps?
Yes, please. Abdullah Baroudi.
Okay.
Abdullah Baroudi. Please, Abdullah Baroudi. Next time, please, Abdullah Baroudi. Send it vertical, not horizontal. Okay, number 1, wrong. Abdullah Baroudi. Write with me. Number 1, wrong.
Okay.
Number 7 is wrong. 1 and 7. خلاص؟
Fine.
فرحان you sent me in the chat.
I already sent you, mister.
Okay. That's the name of the font or what?
Yeah, that's the name of the font.
Okay, thanks.
You're welcome.
Saleh, mashallah, number 1, number 2, number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Number 7, you have a problem, number 7? Only number 7, Saleh.
Okay.
Mustafa. Did you check number 3, Mustafa?
Yes.
Use a calculator, please, number 3. Because you asked me, Mustafa, did you check number 3?
Yes.
Mustafa, did you check number 3?
Yes, Mister.
Mustafa, did you check number 3?
Yes, I checked it, Mister. Thank you.
How many students here we have in this session? We have 27. So please, I ask you from each one from the 27 to get 1 mark. Ask Mustafa, did you check number 3?
Mustafa, did you check number
3?
One by one, please. One by one, please. One by one.
Mustafa, did you check your number 3?
The next.
Mustafa, did you check number 3?
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 Because you can't
Mustafa,
wait. Because you
Mustafa,
can't
do you
do
check
it.
number 3?
Guys, could you shut your mouth? The teacher talks.
Exactly. Thank you.
Habibi, can you wait, please, when I'm talking to anyone, please?
Sir,
Take
I
a
asked
deep
you
breath.
when you weren't talking.
Wallahi, I
you.
was talking to another one. Take a deep
I
breath.
asked you.
Khalas, and stay relaxed until I finish. Then you can ask me. Wallahi, I give you that spot. Inna lillahi wa inna ilayhi raji'un. Uzair. Now we have Uzair. Habib Uzair. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9. Mia Uzair. Thank you. Uzair. No problem. Balaji. Number 7 is a number 7. Check the answer, please. Number 7. Okay. And we have here this
So I've done all of it, but can you just explain number 9 again? I just need.
Okay. I'll send the number 9. Okay. Vincent, just 1 minute.
Mister, I sent you the question 1 and question 7. The answers again.
Sabra, just 1 minute. Faris Krimni, just 1 minute. Number 1. Check number 1. Yeah, Faris. Which one? That's another one. Sorry. Faris, the one number 1 is right. Because you solved number 1 in the question, not the homework. Number 1 is right. Number 2, you need to check. Just subtract, use a calculator, please. Number 2. Even number 3, use a calculator in solving. Use a calculator for solving. Use a calculator, please, for solving. So you need to check number 2 and number 3. Number 6. Number 9. Okay. Diego. 1. What is 2? 2 is wrong. You need to check number 2. 3. Diego. Check number 2. Only number 2, Diego. Yusuf.
Number 2?
Yes, number 2. Yusuf Zaini. 1, 2. Check number 3, Yusuf. Check number 2. Number 3. Sorry, number 3, not number 2. Yusuf, check number 3. 5, 6, 7. And the number 9. Ali. Yeah, Ali.
Ali Roshan or Dakhil?
Yes, Ali Rusan.
Mister, it was negative 22.
Yes, the answer now is right.
Yeah.
Is this all for today?
There's nothing more.
Mister, did you get mine?
Let's go.
Ali?
Yes.
علي روسان؟
Yes.
ما انا ندهت عليك يا ابني دلوقتي وقلت لك علي روسان، قلت لي علي روسان ولا علي الدخل؟ قلت لك علي روسان.
علامة كاملة.
ايوه ما انا بصحح اهو يا حبيبي.
اوكي.
انك مجنون يا حاج. هو مش حد فيكم عنده صبر؟ مش حد فيكم اخليهم ال 27 اخليهم يقول لك ان انا بصحح لك؟ يلا يا اولاد.
So I went over 2 and I got the answer. I just need to understand number 9.
Number 4, number 5, 9.
I'm not sure I sent the picture. Did you see?
Mister, I send you again with the steps.
Okay, Habibi Hassan. Thanks. Ali Abbas, number 9 is number 8 is wrong. Well, I don't know which one is this one. Please write the number. Write the number inside the square because I don't know which number this one.
Sure. I have a road number.
Well,
8495.
you want me to share it on the screen now? 8495, that's order. 8495, that's order.
No, sir. I will send it. I'm sending it.
يعني that's order. والله, I will leave the mathematics. I will not teach math anymore. خلاص. Saleh. Number 7.
How much did I get?
Number 7. All of them are right. Sarah, all of them right.
Okay, thank you.
Right?
Habibi, welcome.
You told me, right?
Sir, can you check
9.
mine?
9. I will just explain. I will explain on
Okay,
number
Mr.
9.
Check also mine if my steps
Yeah, I
are
will check.
correct.
Okay. Just 1 minute. Just 1 minute. So number 9. What is the meaning of A over 10? What is the meaning of A over 10? Over. It's mean. What is the meaning of over?
Divide by 10.
Divided by 10. So because you have divide, you have to shift it to the other side by multiplication.
Times.
When you have 2a equals, for example, 2a equals 12. What is the meaning of 2a? It's mean 2 times a number equals 12. So because it's 2 times, so you shift it to the other side by divide. Then from this one, a is equal 6. But when you have a over 2 equals 12, what is the meaning of over now? It's mean divide. So to shift it to the other side by multiplying, it's mean a equals 12 times 2, which equals 24. You know what is the meaning of over number 9? Do you have any problem with number 9? Number 9.
I still don't get it.
Again for number 9. Just 1 minute to erase. Okay, again for this one. We have 4 forms now. The first one is a minus 2 equals 12. A plus 2 equals 12. 2a equals 12. And we have a over 2 equals 12. What is the meaning of the first one?
A plus 2 equals 12. No, a minus 2.
This operations mean? What is the operation that we have? Minus. So to solve, we use the inverse operation. What is the inverse operation of minus? Adding. So we shift by adding 2. That's mean a is equals
14.
14. Solve with me, please. What is the meaning of the second one?
A plus 2.
The addition. The addition, probably. No addition. So to solve, we use
subtraction.
Subtraction. So a is equals
A is equals 10.
What is the operation number 3?
2a equals 12.
What is the meaning of 2a?
2 times a equals 12.
So we use
2 divided by a.
No, we divide by 2. We shift to the other side by dividing. So a is equals 6. What is the meaning of a over 2?
A divided by 2.
We shift it to the other side by multiplying.
A equals 24.
That is the 4 forms that we have for any operation. Okay?
Okay.
Problem? Yeah. Okay. Any problem for number 9? Any problem for number 9? Okay. Hamad was asking me about number 7 and number 8. Where's number 7? Number 7. Hamad, we explained number 7. We said how we solve number 7. All what we have to do, because we have a fraction here, just we shift to the other side by multiplying by 7 over 2. If you have any fraction, just multiply by the multiplicative inverse of the fraction. So q is equals by multiplying to be negative 14. Now, as we said, number 8, because we have 4 at denominator, it's mean divide. We shift to the other side by multiplying. It's mean c is equals 64. Hassan.
Yes, yes.
Because of that, I ask you for the steps.
I did send you the steps.
Because of that, I need to see the steps. Because now for this one, again for this one, please. For any equation, what is the meaning of the equation? What is the definition of that you said for the equation at the beginning?
Mister, I send you the answers, and then to the right of each question, there's steps I written.
What's your name?
Hassan.
Why didn't you say that? I'm grade 9. My friends are. I just ask you, what's your name? That's right?
Yeah.
You give me the answer for what's your name. That's right?
Hassan.
Alhamdulillah. What is the meaning of the equation? Don't say that I've sent you the answer and I ask you, what is the meaning of the equation? That's all. That's right? Wallah, what is the meaning of the equation? Give me any definition. We explained it at the beginning. What is the meaning of the equation? What's your name? What's your name? Alhamdulillah. What is the meaning of the equation?
Meaning of equation?
Yes. Give me any definition. Wallahi, even if that's wrong, wallahi, I will accept.
It's like statement, expressions like by design, by the sign.
Wallahi, what you say is right. Complete. There is one missing point. One missing part. Statement which contain
like values. The values.
Which contain, leave the values. Which contain what is the main point in the statement to be an equation. In a statement to say this statement is called. Leave the expression. When I say for the expression 2x plus 3y plus 5, can you say this one is called the equation?
No.
What is the missing to make this one is equation?
The 2x plus 3y plus.
What is the missing?
Last one, the plus 5.
Huh?
Should I tell you to like?
Wallahi, wallahi, whatever what you say, even if it's right or wrong, I will accept it. But I need to understand to get the point. Leave solving now. Solving it means solving the equation. Is it equation? This is statement. This is statement as equation now.
Yes.
This is equation.
No.
Why this one is not equation? When I say again, 2x plus 6. Is it equation?
Yeah. But no. You have to also have a equal, like equals what?
So the missing only that we have here, we have to write equal. Equation is a statement that has equal sign. One equal sign. So you can't say 2x equals 6. So you can say that x equals 3. By this way, it's mean how many equal signs that I have. Because when I say A equals B equals C equals 3, it's mean A equal 3, B equal 3, C equal 3. That's right? When you say that 2x equals 6, x equal 3, it's mean x is equals 6 and x equal 3 at the same time. Can you say that x equal 3 and x equal 6 at the same time? So don't put more than one equal sign at the same statement. That is the mistake. You know why I'm asking you about the definition of the equation to reach to this point?
No.
Again, 3x plus 4 equals 7.
You said
you
why?
say now equals. You said that equals 3x equals 3. You said equals x equals 1. That's what you wrote.
I wrote the answer. Then I said the x is equal to the
x equals 1. You wrote like that, and you wrote all of that. Is it right? Is it right? That's what you wrote or not?
Yeah, that's what I wrote.
That's my question. Please, when I ask you, that's what you wrote, say yes or no. Because maybe you wrote another thing and I didn't get that. What you, okay. So now you say that 3x plus 4 equals 7 equals 3x equals 3 equals x equals. Is that right?
Yeah.
It means at this case x equals 1. That's right. And at the same time, x equals 3 at the same time. And at the same time, x is equal 7. X equals 1. That is the meaning of the statement. That is the mathematics. When I say the price of the bin, the price equals 5 riyal. So can I say this number is 50?
No.
That is the meaning of this sign. That is the meaning. That is the meaning. When you say that 3, this statement is right. For me,
That is
100%.
wrong.
No, right? That's mean minus.
Yeah, 3 minus 2 equals to
That's
1.
minus. This sign is minus sign.
Okay,
That's minus or plus?
it's plus.
When I say this sign is minus, I read this one as a plus. What is the meaning of plus? It's addition. Is that right?
Addition.
That is
Okay.
the meaning of the mathematical. So when you write by this way, more than 1 equal, it's mean all of the terms are equal.
Oh,
It's mean 3x. When you say that for any question, when I say you have a line segment now, for example, line segment AB, line segment AB, equal the length of a line segment AB equal the length of a line segment XY equal the length of a line segment CD equals 3. What is the meaning of that? It's mean AB
everything equals
equal
3.
XY equal 3. Why that? Because we put equal
Because
sign
there's
between
equal
them.
sign.
There is no punctuation between them. There is no
Yeah.
comma between. If you put comma here, if I put just one comma here in between them, for example, if I put comma here, it means that is the first part and that's another part. And we can't say that AB equal 3.
Now I get
There's
it. Okay.
a sign of punctuation for this one. You understand the meaning of the punctuation?
Yeah, I understand.
Because you put more than one equal sign, it means that's wrong. So because of that, when I ask you for the steps, your answer is right, but the steps are wrong. So it means that's wrong. That is the meaning of the idea. Hello?
Yes.
Alhamdulillah. Vincent, just 1 minute. I'm checking now, Vincent. Can you see me? Vincent.
Yes.
Habibi,
I
can you see me?
Yeah.
You want me to check by this way?
No.
Habibi. So send me again, please. Or don't send me. I will try to rotate. Just 1 minute. But please, for me, next time, please.
All right.
Habibi. Thanks. The first one, the second, third, fourth, number 8. You need to check number 8 and number 9. 8 and 9. 8 and 9. Okay. Okay.
Islam.
اياد الحربي اياد ايمن اياد
Yes.
والله I miss you اياد والله ما شاء
Mr.
الله.
I sent you my work. Can you check it?
No,
Mr. Islam.
because I'm checking اياد now.
Mr.
اياد. Who was talking
Mr. I
now?
sent my work on Telegram.
Who's talking now?
Mustafa.
Mustafa.
Yes.
We have how many students that we have now? 24. So I need 24 say, okay, I receive. Huh? The Mr. Receive. 24. 24 times, please.
The Mr. received.
Mr. Received.
Mr.
received.
I can't wait يا مصطفى يعني والله grade 4 just wait يا مصطفى please wait for the first one. No, Iyad, number 1 is wrong. You need to check number 1. Number 4 also is wrong. You need to check number 4. Iyad, can you hear me?
Mr. Don. Yes.
Okay. So you have number 1 and number 4. Please check them.
Okay.
Vincent, number 8 and number 9 are right. Now Abdullah Baroudi, number 1 and number 7. Check number 7, Abdullah Baroudi, please.
Again?
Check number 1, number 7, only number 7.
Yeah, sir, check it again.
Please, for
14.
me, please. Negative. You wrote negative or positive?
No, I wrote negative.
I will share it now because I can't know just 1 minute. Huh? You need me to share it?
Wait.
Share the answer? I will share it. Abdullah Baroudi. This number. Just 1 minute. Share. Can you see the screen now?
Okay, sorry.
Can you see the screen?
I forgot to.
What's number 7?
Negative 14.
Wallah, I know the positive and negative, wallah.
Mr.
Yes.
What app do you
Ramiz.
use?
Which one? For writing?
This one, which you write on. Yeah, for writing.
PDF editor.
Oh, okay.
Number one, Ramiz. Number one, number two, number three, number 4, 5, 6. Check number 7, Ramiz. Number 7, Ramiz Mafi. And check number 7, Ramiz. Ayan.
He has a problem with his internet.
Okay. Number 3, Ayan. Number 3. Number 4, Ayan. Number 3. Number 5. Check number 3, number 5. You didn't send me anything else.
Yeah, sure. I will send it later.
Faizan. Check number 1. Number 5. Number 6. 156. Faizan, number 156. Ramiz. Check number 7. Yusuf Al-Harbi. يوسف الجبري معلش. يوسف الجبري
موجود.
انت فين يا يوسف؟ متأخر ليه؟
متأخر، موجود من البداية يا مستر.
لا متأخر في الإرسال.
لا يا مستر، أرسلتها قبل 10 ربع ساعة كذا. شوف الوقت.
أبص على الوقت، اصبر. من 10 دقايق بالظبط. مش ربع ساعة. يوسف. يا يوسف.
أيوه.
Please try to leave a space.
Okay.
And I can't maximize. ماشي. What is the answer? Yes, that is the answer. 100. No one else. عبد الرحمن خلاص 100. So is there any problem for this one? Any problem? Do you have any problem?
No.
خلاص إن شاء الله. See you إن شاء الله. Next session. What?
Okay.
Did I have any problems?
Sorry?
Did I have any problems?
Why? What's the problem that you have?
No. Did I have any problems?
Who? Sorry, because the sound. Abdullah.
Malik, yeah.
Abdullah Malik.
Yeah.
I told you. Just 1 minute to check again.
Oh, Mister, you never said anything.
No, there is no mistakes. 100.
Oh, okay. Sorry, okay, Mia. I wrote Mia, Mister.
100. حبيبي. خلاص see you إن شاء الله next time. Okay? السلام عليكم.
السلام عليكم.
السلام عليكم مستر.
وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله.
السلام عليكم مستر.
وعليكم السلام.